love this place. I love this park, and I'm very happy to be back for the second year in a row. Right now I could look up and I could see Mount Rainier, like towering above. And to my right I've got this giant river flowing through. It's just, I gotta tell you, it fills me with this sense of thankfulness that here I am a whole nother year later, and I have an opportunity to be back here. And it's amazing to me, like that I get to have this journey, this adventure, and that all of it came from such a negative moment in my life. And guys, I'm just feeling super thankful, and I wanted to share that with you. But Mount Rainier, back on topic here. I'm not going to get off on a rant. So here's the plan. I already have a campground set up. I came in yesterday evening, found the last spot at Cougar Rock that was walk up. Everything was booked. It's the July 4 weekend. Tomorrow will be Saturday, and I have a early ascent window set up, and I'm actually going up with a buddy of mine that I met at Camp Mirror last year. You might not remember. Last year, Nick and I took off and hiked up to Camp Mirror with no equipment, absolutely not being ready for it. So we walk into base camp. It's like, I think it was like 6 o'clock. Sun is already coming down. It was later in the season last year. We met this guy, JJ, who was basically waiting to summit. He actually hooked Nick up with some instant mashed potatoes. Super awesome dude. I've kind of stayed in touch with him. He's gonna meet me tomorrow, and we're gonna head out super early. We're gonna basically make our ascent up to base camp and get some amazing shots, have an awesome adventure together. So I'm super excited, if you can't tell. I'm really crossing my fingers for a good window of weather with the mountain. I mean, weather can change on a dime. So really hoping for some good stuff tomorrow. And as of right now, we are good to go. So that's the plan.